Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make OpenAI write an essay. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, launch open any web browser of your choice on your mobile device or your computer, and in the search box type in chat.openai.com and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your OpenAI account if you're not yet, and once you're inside the main homepage, you'll be able to see this interface. Make sure that you have your topic of the essay you want to write about, its length, and other details you'd like to make ChatGPT to write for your essay. In the send a message text box, type in a command that will be write an essay in 1,000 words or according to your preferences, and you must also mention the topic you'd want to write your essay about. Try to be more specific about your topic, and then after you are done typing it in, tap on the paper airplane icon right next to the box and wait for the result. You'll be able to write an essay with the help of ChatGPT quicker with a few simple steps. Sometimes after your ChatGPT has completed your essay, you might not be able to see that it has included everything that you need. So in that case, you can add additional information or remove parts by continuing the conversation with the chatbot. You can ask the chatbot to change a certain word and send the command again. That way you can also edit the essay that has been made by ChatGPT. If you want to make your ChatGPT bot to continue writing the essay, then you can also type in the command like continue or more and send it to the bot. Doing so will make ChatGPT to keep continuing your essay as longer as you want. That is how you can easily make OpenAI write an essay on a topic that you prefer. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.